Alright, you got my attention, nigga. You got my attention. I'm really hoping this isn't mid. I'm really hoping this isn't mid. I'm really hoping this isn't mid. So we got another album. Second week of the year. I'm really happy, but I really hope this isn't mid. We're wasting a lot of time here. I'm not gonna act like I'm not expecting this to be mediocre. I'm not expecting that. No way. I actually like Cordae. I mean, first album, The Lost Boy, pretty good project, you know? I gave that a good score, I think. I don't remember, but yeah. And this man is definitely capable. He's got potential. Let's just hope that this isn't trash or mid. I don't know why I keep using those words. Like, Cordae isn't a capable artist. You know, he's very capable of making something really good, you know. First song of this From a Bird's Eye View album, we have Shiloh's intro. Here we go. Here we go.
Like I said, in the prison shit, not being that
it's cool, you know. Probably got this from when he first started rapping. Minute long intro. I'm cool with that. Yeah, I like that.
Well, let my brother tell the story from a bird's eye view.
Okay, that's. Ooh. Okay, next song is John Michael or G Michael, whatever, but that was cool. Was that a verse from when he first started rapping, or was that a recent freestyle or whatever? I don't know. That was cool. That was cool. Yeah. Already, this production got me. That was cool, you know. You can find some bars in that. That's pretty cool. Bro, why is this song on here, bro?
Last year I made 7 million, didn't have to do
yeah, nah. We not doing that. We not doing that, bro. I'm sorry, but I do not like that song. Not a great lead single. I'm sorry. Mama's Hood. Wait. Okay.
Yeah, to find a way out.
I'm not gonna lie, you know what I hear in this? I hear a young J. Cole. I get it. I get the comparisons. Pit. Alright, next song, Want From Me. I'm not gonna lie. Kinda bored with this. Just not lying.
I was acting cool, cuz I told you I ain't got time for that, but nigga, today.
Is this gonna be a little, what is this? Today with Gunna? Can this be fun? Something? Oh, what is that in the background? Like a flute? Some woodwind instrument? It's nice. Alright, you got my attention, nigga. You got my attention. Yeah, this beat fits Gunna. Alright, yeah. See? You're capable of making something memorable. Okay. This is probably the first song where I'm like, okay. That was cool. Shiloh's interlude. That was, okay. Next song is C. Carter.
Back when good music dropped cruel summer. Back when niggas wondered if I do numbers.
What was that, 2011? Yeah, this beat, bro. And then the vocals, I love what they're doing. You gonna quote a Bible verse and say motherfucker? Come on now. Okay, let's see if you can go on a run. This last track was good. This track is good. What's next? Oh, Sinister.
Yeah, alright.
I mean, I do like this.
This ain't rap music,
So,
this straight literature. Small-minded
yeah,
nigga,
going
all your
on.
ideas
Cool.
miniature. They tend to hate on you when they
We don't need to listen to this again. So, next song is Chronicles with her and Little Dirk. That is not him singing. Ain't no way. Ooh, I like how she came in. Don't even sound like Dirk. But I guess I don't listen to him that much. Yeah, this is also good. You're doing good, kid. You're doing good. Can you keep it going? Can you keep it going? Next song is Champagne Glasses with Freddie Gibbs and Stevie Wonder. Okay, hold up. Freddie.
Conversations getting complicated. You can shit on me, you pussy niggas is constipated.
Okay. Bro, I know he didn't just say like burns like syphilis or some shit. Oh my god. I had a feeling Stevie would be on the harmonica. This is pretty good. So it was basically like the whole second half of this album. This last song is hitting on Westlake High. Oh my god.
We just gotta relish in the moment, man, and cherish these moments.
Okay. So that was From a Bird's Eye View by Cordae. I wasn't about to listen to the Parables remix or Gifted because I don't want to. As far as how I feel about this and how I feel about Cordae now, I feel like this has given us a little more peek into the potential that this man has, because if we're being honest, like I said before, I think the latter half of the album shows how great this guy can be. And I think it's kind of crazy that, you know, him and I are the same age, I'm pretty sure. He did say in that freestyle that he was under 25 and I'm 24, so at least the same age. But yeah, it's amazing how far he's come. I'm comparing this to his last project, The Lost Boy, which I listened to right before this. I'd say, I don't know if this was better than The Lost Boy. Right now, I'm going to say yes, mainly because, going back to that album, really only half of it is, well, maybe a little bit more than half, I would say, is great. And this, like I said, I think it started with maybe Today with Gunna. That was a fun little banger, I think. And then from then on, everything else was great, I think. I like Sinister as a single. And her and Little Dirk kind of killed their features on Chronicles. So did Freddie Gibbs on Champagne Glasses. And kind of, while I think aesthetically, while it's great to just like say whatever on like the last minute of your last song, I kind of just wanted to hear him rap, maybe just rap whatever else you're thinking. Like, you could have put those words that you were just talking at the end of Westlake High. I feel like you could have made that into a verse. Like, every every talking point you could have like made into a verse, I think. But yeah, I think it was cool, the intro. I don't know if that was from like a really old freestyle that he did and recorded, but that was cool. Or if it was an old freestyle, then that's kind of like, I like how he said the album title in it, So it's kind of like maybe he had this project on his mind for a long time. I don't know. But yeah, I think bring this all together. In conclusion, this wasn't bad at all. But I still think it could be better, mainly because I hear it, I hear the better songs out of all these pretty good songs. Like, I don't know, but I'm definitely going to come back to this album a lot this year, I think. It may or may not make my ends list. If not, it will definitely be an honorable mention. But anyways, that's how I feel about From a Bird's Eye View from Cordae. Definitely gonna give this a few more listens and then give you the final verdict. But you'll be seeing that right now.